Here's the next question, number 30. The coils of a wattmeter have resistances 0.01 ohms and 1000 ohms. Their inductances may be neglected. The wattmeter is connected as shown in the figure to measure the power consumed by a load which draws 25 amps at power factor 0.8. The voltage across the load terminals is 30 volts. The percentage error on the wattmeter reading is dash. Okay, so let's begin by writing down what's given to us. We have the resistances as 0.01 and 1000 ohms. We have the current drawn at 25 amps, power factor of 0.8 and voltage reading, the terminal voltage as 30 volts. So we'll note all of that down. R1 is 0.01 ohms. R2 is 1000 ohms. Current I is 25 amps. Cos phi is 0.8 and the voltage is 30 volts. So in order to find the percentage error, the first thing we need to do is find out the wattmeter reading or the wattmeter error due to the pressure coil. Now the pressure coil is R2 at 1000 ohms. So I'll just note that down here. This is our first step. Wattmeter error due to pressure coil. So the wattmeter error due to pressure coil is given by the expression V square by R. Now since we are talking about pressure coil, this would be R2. So V square by R2 would be 30 square divided by 1000. And that comes to 0.9. Now our next step is to calculate the wattmeter reading. Let's write down the wattmeter reading formula. Wattmeter reading equals, now the formula is VI cos phi, the general power equation. So what's V? 30. I is 25 and cos phi is 0.8. When you multiply these values, you should get a value of 600 watts. So 600 watts is our wattmeter reading. Now we can calculate the final step of percentage error. Now percentage error is given by the ratio of the wattmeter error due to the pressure coil divided by the wattmeter reading into 100. So the wattmeter error is 0.9. The wattmeter reading is 600 into 100 and that gives us a value of 0.15%. So our final answer here is 0.15. They have asked in terms of percentage, so that's 0.15. This is the final solution.